Hello, my name is Hiren Taylor and welcome back to Arduino programming and interfacing. In this Arduino tutorial, you will learn about keypad and how to interface and program a different type of keypads with Arduino. So as you can see here, at left hand side, we have a 4x3 keypad where we have the 4 number of rows and 3 columns. And here we have a 4x4 keypad that have the 4 rows and 4 number of columns. Now the interfacing of this keypad is very easy. You need to connect this number of rows and number of columns that coming out from this keypad to the Arduino pins. Let's take an example of 4x4 keypad. And here you can see that we have the total 8 number of pins that are coming out from this keypad. We need to connect to the 8 pin of the Arduino. So this first 4 pin are useful for the rows and the remaining 4 pins are useful for the columns. So now I'm going to connect this first output of the keypad to the 9 number pin of the Arduino, and so on. It will be connected to 8, then we will have the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and in the end we will have the 2. So this is how you can interface the keypad to the Arduino. So let's see it physically. So here you can see that I have interfaced this 4x4 keypad to the Arduino board pin number 9 to 2. And I have also interfaced this LED to the Arduino to provide or check the password or security. So I have connected the anode of this LED to pin number 13 of the Arduino and cathode to the ground via this 220 ohm resistor. So now I will show you how to program this Arduino board for this keypad. So before we start programming, in order to use the keypad, we need to install the keypad library. So to install the keypad library, you can go to Sketch, go to Include Library, and then click on Manage Libraries. So here you need to write down the keypad and it will show you the different list of library available for the keypad. Now here you need to go to this keypad library by Mark Stanley and the Alexander Breving, and to install this library you need to click on install over here, so that you can see here that if you will click on install, it will be installed in your Arduino. So I have already installed this, that's why it's showing install, and once you will install the library, then and then you will be able to use this include keypad.h. So to program the keypad, first you need to include the keypad.h header file, and as we are using a 4x4 keypad, I'm going to consider the rows and column as a variable for the rows and column respectively. It has a value of 4 and 4. Now this character hexa keys, rows and columns are representing the text that we are going to consider for the keypad. So if I will write 1 over here, that means the first column and the first row position is representing by the 1. If I will write something else over here, that will be displayed as something else. For example, if I will write Q over here, it will be displayed as a Q. But we will write the number as per the keypad, and that's why in the first row you can see that we have 1, 2, 3 and A. On the second row 4, 5, 6 B, and third row 7, 8, 9 C, and similarly in the last row asterisk 0 has an D. So this is how you need to mention the characters. And now let's mention the pin on which we want to connect this keypad. So I have mentioned the pin for the rows as row pins, and they are the 9, 2 up to 6. So 9, 8, 7, 6 are for the rows, and 5, 4, 3, 2 are for the columns. And then we will use this keypad from the keypad.h header file. It will provide a proper arrangement for the rows and column and the character that we have given to such a rows and column, and it will be stored in the custom keypad. So that is our initialization. And next we need to print something on the serial monitor. So therefore I am using the serial.begin 9600, and in the void loop that we will write our logic. And here you can see that we have the character that is as a custom key, and if it will be equal to the custom keypad.get key. So whatever we will press, that will be assigned to this custom key, and that we will again display in the if loop. So right now we are not requiring this character pass, so I'm just commenting it, that we will use in the next program. So here you can understand that whatever key that we will press, it will be stored in the custom key. Now if the custom key is pressed, we have pressed any key, so in the serial monitor we will have press key equal to then space, and it will display the value of whatever key that we have pressed. So likewise this code is running, and if you will press a 1, 2, 3 or any number, that will be displayed on the serial monitor. Similarly, if you will write the code for LCD, it will be displayed in the LCD also. So next we are going to upload this code to the Arduino. So now I am connecting this USB cable to the PC, and now you need to select the board Arduino Uno and the COM port 3 in my case. And once you will select this, you can click on upload. It will upload the code to the Arduino board. Once you have uploaded this code, you need to click on serial monitor so that we can see whatever that is going to be displayed on the serial monitor. Now let's press 1. So you can see that pressed key is 1. Similarly, you can press 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. You can press this key also, A, B, C, D, asterisk and the star. So you can see that each and every key is working properly, and that's how you can interface the keypad with the Arduino. So next I will show you how we can use this keypad for the password or security checking. And here you can see that I have considered the LED also. So LED is connected to pin number 13 of the Arduino. So I will write pin mode 13 comma output, and in the void loop we will now change our code. We will consider the character pass. So this is our password 1234, and initially we will make the LED to be turned off. I have written the digital write 13 comma low, and now I need to compare this custom key with the pass key. So this custom key will contain the whatever key that we have pressed, and this pass key is having a 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we will compare and if they are equal, then we want to display that password is correct, and therefore I have written this password is correct. We can comment this line, and at the same time we want to turn on the LED also. So I have write digital write 13 comma high, and we want LED to be turned on for 1 second. So I have provided the delay of 1 second. So this is how you can program the keypad with the password also. So let's upload it and check it. So now I am going to upload this code to the Arduino board. So I am going to click on upload, and you can see that it is uploading, and now done uploading successfully. And let me open the serial monitor. So right now it is blank, and if I will press any key, you can see that nothing is displayed because we have not mentioned the message to be print while we are pressing any other key rather than 1 2 3 4. So if I will press a 1 2 3 4, that is if I will press a correct password, then this LED is going to be turned on and it will display the message that password is correct. So you can see that you can also see the password is correct and LED was turned on for the 1 second. You can check it again also. So this is how you can use the keypad with the Arduino. I hope you have liked this video. If you want to know more, or if you want to discuss something about this Arduino and the keypad, you can write in the comment. Thank you so much for your support, like, and please subscribe this channel to support more.